Tao po. Ma'am, Ma'am Jamaica po. Ma'am, may deliver lang po.
Parcel ka.
Sa kotse po.
Wala kayo po.
Ayun.
Bayad na po. Yan mo na ako.
Happy birthday to you.
So yun ma'am, before anything else po, we would like to gusto po namin magpakilala. Kami po ay from Soy's Car Surprise Delivery. May kumontak po sa amin para po i-surprise kayo ngayong inyong caravan. Sa palagay niyo ma'am, sino po kaya?
Jowa ko po.
Ay, wala namang iba. Basahin ko ma'am yung message po niya sa inyo ma'am. Saya. Hi mahal, happy birthday to the most amazing person in my life. Today we celebrate not only the day you were born, but also the incredible person you have become. I feel incredibly lucky to be by your side as we embark on another year of adventures, love, and growth together. On this special day, I want to take a moment to remind you just how much you mean to me. Your presence in my life has brought so much joy, happiness, and love. You have a way of making every day brighter with your infectious laughter, your beautiful smile, and your kind heart. Your love and support have been constant source of strength for me. You believe in me, even when I doubt myself, and your faith in me pushes me to reach for the stars. You have a way of making me feel like I can accomplish anything, and for that, I am forever grateful. Your beauty, both inside and out, never ceases to amaze me. Your kindness, compassion, and understanding are qualities that I deeply admire. You have a heart of gold, and you touch the lives of those around you with your selfless love. On this birthday, I wish you all the happiness, love, and success that life has to offer. May this new year bring your countless blessings, opportunities, and beautiful moments. I promise to be there by your side, supporting you, loving you, and making each day as wonderful as you are. Happy birthday, my love. Thank you for being the incredible person that you are. Today and always, know that my heart belongs to you and that I am grateful for that. With all my love, Tin. Napaka-sweet naman ma'am ng message. Ano pong masasabi niyo ma'am? Kay, jowa.